both of the those. I like to ask a question to you guys.
Sure.
Like 1 से 2 महीने में how much shampoo bottle do you consume?
You though for sure many bottles.
So I actually end up using about one bottle every 2 months.
Probably the same. My hair slightly shorter, but yeah, I would say probably the same.
Same. We can say probably everyone uses at least 1 to 2 empty bottles of personal care or toiletry products every 1 to 2 months. And हम सबको पता है प्लास्टिक के harmful effects क्या हैं.
Correct.
Plastics are non-biodegradable. Each piece of plastic can take up to 500 years to decompose. And I wanted to change this. So one day while I was watching random YouTube videos on my phone, I came across this invention done by 2 college friends in London who invented an edible water bottle. And this blew my mind. जो इन्होंने mineral water bottle के साथ किया है, will do the same thing with every other product which uses plastic as their packaging material. After mineral water bottle, one of the most significant sources of plastic pollution comes from our toiletry products. So we settled down on using shampoo bottle for the beginning first product.
Okay.
After this, we did what every respectable science student should do, which is copying the assignment. And copied basically the same idea and used the same process. Instead of using water, we used shampoo ka solution. We kept on experimenting for months and didn't get any result. और हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था हम गलत क्या कर रहे हैं. Until one day I realized what they made was edible. The outer layer of the bottle was supposed to be digested by the system.
Right.
What we were trying to achieve was a water dissolvable system because it will be used in toilets and washroom. The outer layer should dissolve in water.
Right.
But after this realization, our idea was crystal clear. Our idea composed of 3 elements. Number 1, a water dissolvable film, एक ऐसा layer जो पानी में घुल जाए. Number 2, an anhydrous solution of shampoo, एक shampoo का solution जिसमें पानी कम हो या फिर ना हो.
Correct.
And number 3, एक waterproof packaging solution which do not use plastic because if we use plastic to pack our product, it defeats the whole purpose of the product. From this time on forward, we started experimenting from the water-soluble film first. And through our experiment, we figured out the best components are probably polyvinyl alcohol and starch for our water-soluble film. And then we started making an anhydrous solution of shampoo. For our first prototype, we just used dry shampoo, which is normal shampoo, doesn't have water inside them. And work with that. And right now we are trying to make a solution of shampoo using the same chemical, soap, detergent, thickener, and essential and mineral oils, but without the use of water.
Got it.
If we figure out the best way to make all these 3 components and combine them together, we can find a single solution to one of the most significant sources of plastic pollution in form of single-use, biodegradable, and water-dissolvable shampoo bubble.